I'm making my way to Kathu Waterfall. I've never been here before. I was doing a little exploring. Went to go see if I could find Kun Som's art studio, but I could not find. So I said, all right, let me go check out this waterfall. Swadika. This morning went to Phuket King Muay Thai. It was a good session. Pads were a little hard for me today, but other than that, it's all good. So we got some stairs we gotta go up here. And Kathu Waterfalls straight ahead. Let's see what we got here. Oh, it's a lot of stairs. It's alright. I'm okay with stairs. I'm used to stairs from work. Stairs all day, every day. Look at that house. It looks old. Very, very old. Look at this tree. It looks like somebody made a seat out of it, huh? I hear the water. I hear a lot of water.
Your destination is on the left.
So yeah, I'm gonna keep walking and show you when I get there, huh? Oh, hey, look at that. That all just fell. Holy shit. This must be it. How do you keep going? How do you get there? I guess you used to be able to walk this way, but I'm not sure you can. So I kept going all the way up, and that's where I'm at. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little nervous walking through these woods by myself, mainly because of snakes. I don't like snakes, and I feel like this is where they would be, right? By the water. It's wet. We're gonna go back down to the other spot. Sweating my nuts off. Check out this jungle though, huh? Mountain. I'm gonna head back down, go to the other spot. I think the other spot was a little bit nicer. I'm gonna watch out for these snakes now, huh? Make sure no snake, no snake. Shit, which way did I come? This way. Alright, I'm gonna try to rip through this because I don't like being here. Absolutely lovely, stunning. Like 4 different sections that are really nice. Private, nobody around, you can be naked over here, nobody will ever know. Beautiful. We'll talk about Phuket King and my general experience. Was very good. I mean, it was a small class. There was only like 4 of us there in the morning. They told me that afternoon's a little bit more busier. But it's like an old school gym, you know. You got a lot of knickknacks, a lot of different tools to use. Nice array of heavy bags, and you know, their pad work is pretty good. Nice guys talk to me, you know, already asking me to fight after watching me shadow box. I said, hold on, let me get in shape first. I'm out of shape and drinking. But yeah, it's a great experience. I like the quietness. I like that you can hear birds chirping. I like that it's a bit rugged and not too cookie cutter. You know, it's not brand new, but it's not 100 years old. All in all, Phuket King Muay Thai in Kathu is definitely worth checking out. I want to make it a point to check out as many gyms as I can. I think the next gym I'm going to go to, I forget how to say it, but the guy is a WBC boxing champion. Focuses mostly on boxing. Today it was a lot of kicks, a lot of elbows, a lot of countering, mostly just power. I think they were just trying to feel me out and see what I could do. But yeah, it's very good. I suggest going there. I recommend it. I recommend every one of these gyms you see me at so far is good. Tiger Muay Thai is good. Bang Tao Muay Thai is good. Simbi Muay Thai is good. Phuket King, good. You know, all very different, you know. Every gym has a different atmosphere, a different element that what makes it good and what makes it special. And you gotta give the gym a chance and give the trainers a chance, and you know, you gotta hold your own while in these gyms. You know, I was watching a video the other day on YouTube about somebody who was bashing a gym, saying it was the worst experience of their life and this and that. And I never had a bad experience at that gym. I was at this gym, I'm not gonna say what it is, but it was, I don't know, I think this person, you know, they went on for like 30 minutes, 40 minutes talking about how bad the gym was, and that, to me, I didn't like that. I didn't like the negativity. So you got to take what's positive from the gym, and if you have a bad experience in one little element of a gym, you could fix that, or you could talk to the coach, or you can avoid being in that situation, or you can communicate better. You know, this person had gotten a black eye and really was unhappy that they got caught. Well, you got caught, it's your fault. It's nobody's fault if you got caught. You know, they hit you. That's why you block. That's why you move. But, anyways, what I also find as a whole, really, especially in Thailand, is if you go to a Muay Thai gym, if you could appreciate Muay Thai and show that you appreciate the art of Muay Thai, it goes a long way. If they don't have to teach you the basics of how to throw a punch and how to throw a kick, and you kind of already have a foundation that's technically okay, they like you. They like you. They love you. You know, if you don't know anything and you just kind of sloppy and not too sharp, sometimes, yeah, it's not going to be the prettiest, but that's what privates are for. That's what, you know, finding a trainer that'll help you fix whatever is wrong with you. You know, today's session, my guy was throwing a lot of, he'd hold for a kick, and then I'd kick, and then he'd kick me back pretty quickly, right? But he was having fun with it. It wasn't like he was trying to hurt me or nothing. It was more like testing my reaction, see how I block. So yeah, I suggest Phuket King. I'm gonna stay here for about a week, paid for a week. Oh, thank you so much. And so this is the Jungle Cafe right near Kathu Waterfall, and I got me some fried chicken with garlic. I like the flour presentation, very nice. And then some stir-fried basil chicken with a little bit of rice, just to carb up for the morning. And probably go back and do a double session later. But anyways, I'm gonna enjoy this. This is the Jungle Cafe near Kathu Waterfall, and it's beautiful. I got this waterfall right down there, and you can hear it, and it's just a nice, peaceful little spot. A little different than what you're used to here, you know. So anyways, I'm gonna eat, I'm gonna enjoy, and I'll catch you in a little bit.